Hey friends, if you encounter the class not registered error when opening pictures in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure to resolve it. So here's the thing. First of all, you need to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. This will fix the missing and corrupt files on the system. Now the second solution will be to reset all the default apps. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Now go to default apps. Okay, now scroll down to this option where it says reset all default apps. Click on reset and then click on OK. It will reset all default apps on the system. Though it will make a lot of unnecessary changes, but it will solve your problem. Now I'll tell you why I chose this option, not specifically changing the default app, because in this situation you do not know which app is facing the problem and what all apps are facing the problem. So you can change the default apps later as per your convenience. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.